Hi, this is Travels with Phil. I'm Phil Constantine, going back in time a little bit today. And but I just remembered right up there, my daughter Sarah got me that for Christmas. Pretty cool, Travels with Phil. All right. Well, I like to walk, and I've been trying to get a couple of miles, 2, 3 miles a day. And so I will often have earbuds in and listen to music as I was going out. And the last few days I've been listening to The Doors and some of their best hits and stuff like that. And I was listening to one of those songs, and just something at the very end of it reminded me of something that I remember from back in the 60s when I first heard the music at the original time. And what it was is there's just a thing at the very end. Why did they do that? What were they actually saying? Now, a lot of songs you can always say, what are the real lyrics? You know, what are they really trying to say? Well, in this case, it just sounded so strange that at the very end of their song called Touch Me, they did some weird thing at the very, very end of it. And so I often wondered, now, are they doing what I think they're doing, or are they not doing what I think they're doing? So I'll tell you what, let's listen to the last few songs. No copyright infringements here intended, since this is an educational or editorial video, but let's listen to the last few seconds here of this song. Listen. What did they just say? Did they just say stronger than dirt? What is that? Why does that sound familiar? Well, listen to this.
Stronger than dirt. New Ajax laundry detergent is stronger than dirt.
There you go. Ajax. The shining white knight in the 60s would come around, shoot his lance at your dirty clothes, and would clean your clothes for you. Do. Well, evidently, this was the story. Evidently, several people had wanted to use some of the Doors music in commercials back when the Doors were still around. Morrison was still alive, or wherever he was. And they declined, or Morrison didn't want his music being used for commercial purposes. So either as a joke, as a snide comment, as a comeback, or some kind of weird combination of all of the above, either Morrison snuck this in at the end of the song because the song just happened to end with a do-do-do-do, because lots of songs did end with that little thing for some reason. So either he just did it as a joke, or he did it as some sort of, political commentary against his band members, or all of the band members did it. Who knows? But I actually did some research, and from multiple sources now, they are saying that yes, at the end of this song, Touch Me by the Doors, that at the very end where it goes do-do-do-do, they are indeed saying stronger than dirt as some sort of commentary or joke or whatever, throwback to that old Ajax commercial, Stronger Than Dirt. You have to be old as I am to be able to remember these things. And that commercial that you just saw there came from 1965. So yes, indeed, the Doors did a 2-second commercial at the end of one of their songs. So, hey, what the heck? You never know where you're going to hear something, and listening to Travels with Phil, you never know when you're going to learn something. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to make comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the circle with my picture in it in the lower right hand corner of the video. The arrow is pointing at it now. And once you have subscribed, you can be notified of when I have a new video posted by clicking on the bell icon in the description field below the video. Thanks again for watching.